Greetings! VisionAid warmly welcomes you to our 20th year celebration. What does 20 years of enabling, educating and empowering the visually impaired look like? Let's take a journey through time to find out, starting in 2004, when we launched our first center in the beautiful seaside town of Visakhapatnam, India. The VisionAid leadership team is so delighted you are with us in this journey.
This is MS Raju saying hi from Vizag. In 2004, as I retired from active management and business schools, my son Ram, who is in the USA, and daughter-in-law Revati, who is also in the USA, voted me into going for some worthwhile social service. And they suggested that helping the vision impaired people in India were in large numbers. Accordingly, I enrolled myself as a volunteer in blind schools, LV Prasad and NIVH. After learning their problems, I produced that literature which became a standard for technical and IT-based education for the blind people.
From those early days, VisionAid has grown in leaps and bounds. From one center serving a few hundreds each year, today VisionAid programs run in 47 locations across India serving over 30,000 a year, and these numbers keep on accelerating each year. Our team includes a panel of renowned subject matter experts who have helped to define a holistic model of vision rehabilitation with inputs from many of our leading partners. The VisionAid model includes programs which fall into three focus areas. The first focus area is our enabling programs, which include early intervention for children, cortical cerebral vision impairment or CVI programs, low vision screening, assistive devices and technologies, as well as orientation and mobility training. The second focus area is our education programs, which includes over 12 specialized digital literacy training and employment-oriented training programs. The third focus area is empowering, which includes advocacy, outreach and counseling for the visually impaired and their families.
Congratulations on reaching the remarkable milestone of 20 years of dedicated service to the visually impaired community. Your unwavering commitment has profoundly impacted countless lives, bringing hope and independence to the many. We are delighted to celebrate our invaluable partnership with VisionAid, which has not only helped us amplifying our reach, enhanced the quality of care and support, but also fostered inclusivity and independence among persons with vision impairment.
Congratulations on the 20th anniversary of VisionAid. The area that you have chosen to provide service is unique because there are not many organizations around the world who are focused on the problem of irreversible vision loss, a problem that affects millions of people around the world. We at LV Prasad Eye Institute are delighted to have your partnership in this effort to make these people realize their full potential through appropriate rehabilitation programs. Congratulations again.
On behalf of Shankar Nagwala and team of Elite School of Optometry, I congratulate VisionAid for this milestone of achieving 20 years service to the low vision kids.
The team at Dr. Shroff's Charity Eye Hospital congratulates VisionAid for their 20 years of service. We are very pleased to partner with VisionAid for serving the visually impaired in Delhi and other parts of North India.
From the early days, VisionAid has been looking for innovative ways to level the playing field for the visually impaired. Even back in 2007, our camera mouse was recognized by the Indian Ministry of Science and Technology as one of the top 60 technology innovations in 60 years of India's independence. And this journey of innovation continues today with our AI-powered smart vision glasses in partnership with SHG Technologies, tactile braille books in partnership with Raised Lines Foundation, affordable portable digital magnifiers in partnership with Orbit Technologies, and our digital accessibility testing and training center. In our 20 years of service, we've had the opportunity to serve over 100,000 visually impaired across India. Let's hear from just a few of them.
My journey started with VisionAid from 2019, where I lost my vision due to retinal detachment. I was passionate towards computer programming, so VisionAid helped me to learn Python with the screen reader.
I would like to thank VisionAid for giving me the platform to run and wings to fly.
I'm part of VisionAid team, where I handle technical training for our new technical visually impaired students.
VisionAid का मेरे ऊपर पूरा सपोर्ट था और VisionAid का इसीलिए मैं दिल से धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूँ.
I learned a lot of things, to be brave, to communicate with others.
And my aim of my life is I want to become an IFS officer. Now I would like to thank VisionAid organization for giving us this chance to attend the corporate skill development course, which was very helpful for us.
So I would like to encourage many more visually impaired people to come and to join for the trainings.
Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to attend this course, and thank you so much for sharing your knowledge with me. Thank you so much.
As we look to the future, with your support we aim to reach another 100,000 visually impaired across India in the next 3 years. We also plan to tackle 2 major new frontiers. Cortical cerebral visual impairment or CVI, which is the leading cause of childhood blindness, and application of AI and other leading edge technologies which can help level the playing field for the visually impaired in India. The work VisionAid does would not be possible without the support of our donors. We are very grateful for the generosity of each and every donor. The work we do would not be possible without you. We are also deeply grateful for our amazing family of VisionAid volunteers, team members and partners both in the US and in India. Thank you all for being part of our growing VisionAid family.